Hey everyone, and welcome back to AI Verdict. So, the new GLM-5 model has been getting a ton of buzz, and after our last video, my comments were just flooded with one big question. This is great, but how do I actually use it? Well, you asked, and we are delivering. Today is the step-by-step guide. We're going to cut right to the chase and show you exactly how to get your hands on a free API key for GLM-5. Let's get right into it, right? It's always the same story. Some incredible new model gets released, and you're all excited to try it, but figuring out how to actually plug it into your code feels like, well, a total pain. So today, we're not just going to bridge that gap. We are building a direct pipeline from you to the GLM-5 API right inside your IDE. So, you ready to get this thing running? The best part is, this isn't some super complicated pull your hair out kind of setup. Nope. All you need are that's it, just three simple pieces of information. Think of them as the keys to the kingdom. And here they are, the big three. First, we need the address of the API. That's the base URL. Second, we need our own personal password to get in the door, which is our API key. And finally, we just have to tell it what we're looking for, and that's the model ID. Simple as that. Okay, but wait, before we jump in, there's one tiny but super important thing you gotta do first. If you're using an IDE extension like Cline or Roo Code, you need to go into the settings and flip the switch for your API provider to OpenAI Compatible. This little trick is what makes everything else just work. It basically tells your tool how to talk to the GLM-5 endpoint properly. All right, prerequisite is checked off the list. Let's grab that first piece of the puzzle, the base URL. This is basically the web address for the API itself. So who do we have to thank for this? A company called Model Research is providing free access to GLM-5, which is awesome. Now, here's the important part. This is a limited time offer. It's only good until April 30th. So, the clock is ticking a little bit. You're going to want to get on this. Okay, now for this part, you need to be precise. I've got the link for you in the description below. When you copy it, make sure you get everything from the beginning all the way up to and including the /v1 at the end. Not before it, not after it. That little /v1 is the secret handshake that gets you in. All right, we've got the address. Now it's time to get our personal key to unlock the front door. Let's go generate your API key. Don't worry, this part is super quick. Seriously, just follow these 5 steps. You're going to head to the endpoint page. Again, link is in the description. Sign up for a quick account. And then on the left side, you'll see a button that says Create Token. Click that, name it whatever you want. Literally, call it My Awesome Key. Hit Enter, and then just copy that new key it gives you. Easy. Okay. We're on the home stretch now. We have the address, we have the key. The very last step is to tell the server which specific model we want to use, and that's where the model ID comes in. And here is the final crucial piece. The model ID is AI RGM5 AP8. Now, my advice, don't even try to type this out. Just go down to the description below this video and copy and paste it directly. One wrong letter or space and this whole thing won't work, so let's just get it perfect the first time. And that's it. Base URL is in, API key is in, model ID is in, the setup is officially complete. Now for the fun part, the moment of truth. Let's see if we're connected. So to test this, just do something really simple. Go into your IDE, type hi, and send it off. And what you're looking for, the little sign that everything is working, is that you'll see a status pop-up that says thinking. That's GLM-5 waking up and getting your message. And if you see that thinking followed by an actual response, then bam, you did it. Congratulations, you are officially connected to the GLM-5 API. You've just unlocked this incredibly powerful tool right inside your coding workflow. So there you have it. You've got free access to one of the newest, most powerful models out there. The connection is live, the API is ready. The only question left is, what's the first thing you're going to build with it? If this explainer helped you out, do me a favor and hit that like and subscribe button for more from AI Verdict. We'll see you in the next one.